Hey, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. If you're not over the age of 18, go the fuck away. I don't want you there watching me. Nothing here for you. This channel is for people who are old and have more than half a brain. I'm not saying you young people don't have half a brain. I can't measure, so I will not make any claims one way or the other on that. Anyway, this channel is not for children. I had no children content, and other than once, when granddad would come to visit, there were no children on it. So, it's mini machining and some really dry, sarcastic adult humor. Like I said, nothing here for kids, so go away. Hey gang, Puppy here. It is Cinco de Mayo in the year of perfect vision, and this is Poppy's Brew Review. And believe it or not, we've got Rolling Rock. There we go. Hey, oh, no, over here. Over here. Hey, no. Hey! You can read it. Rolling Rock. First pour. Okay, nice foamy head, a lot of small effervescence in the body down here. One moment. Light on the hops. Not bad on the yeasty. This is beer. There we go. Okay, this is Rolling Rock Premium Beer Extra Pale. 12 fluid ounce. I know it's got to say on here how much alcohol there is somewhere. I just don't really care. Until now, I've never had Rolling Rock. Anyway, as I was saying, I've never had Rolling Rock until today. First burp, your basic beer burp. No special beer flavor, either way or any of the ways, Not super yeasty or super hoppy or super something, just burp. Boy, I'd probably never. Why have I never drinking this stuff before? Well, at the time when that was available and all the hot stuff, I was chasing German beers like St. Pauli Girl, Heineken. I especially like this one called Krupp. Coming in a long neck ceramic plug with the red rubber donut seal and the steel wire latch mechanism to latch it down. I used to get this keg of this stuff, about so tall, so big around. You have to tap it with the little tap they give you. I'd put it in the fridge a day ahead of time. You know, it was a perfect thing for a Super Bowl or a big night watching, you know, videos with the family. You know, plenty. Hey, some of those stuff that the family would watch, you'd need to anesthetize yourself. Oh. Tiny bit of hoppy aftertaste on the back of the tongue, but not excessive. Rolling Rock. This beer is cold and wet, mildly alcoholic, doesn't taste bad. It's worth a try. Let's see. I've been watching videos made by a bunch of the other YouTube creators. They're making a dial indicator holder designed by Stefan Gutzewinter. Nice design. Very nice design. And so far, five of the other creators out there are working from his drawings and making it up. Generally, in fact, I would say all doing really good work. Anyway, I've recorded enough now that I'm going to go.